Lights on. Set now. Ready, and they're racing, and Family Matters and Golden Channel were about the first two to begin. Going forward is Solid Effort, and In and Away is on the improve from out wide, and it's now In and Away taking over from Golden Channel. Solid Effort third, followed by Val Hustle on the improve quickly, and then Family Matters and Durbars the outside, followed after 2 lengths by Rock All, and then Run for Layla midfield on the inside, followed then by Gay Blade on the inside of Common Debt. 2 or 3 to Tamahara for Vo Straight, and Watertight is back at the rear, the best part of 12 lengths off the leader, which is In and Away down the side. Durbars goes into second placing, followed by Golden Channel on the inside of Val Hustle, who's been able to drop in. 1 out, 1 back, fourth the outside. 2 further back then to Solid Effort, followed by Family Matters the inside. 2 lengths away then to just in behind those horses, then Run for Layla on the inside, and then Rock All the centre, and Common Debt out 3 wide, starting to improve, and then about 4 or 5 lengths further back to Gay Blade, Tamahara for Vo Straight, and Watertight last of all at the 500 metres mark, and In and Away is the leader. Now down to the 400. Val Hustle going into second placing quite strongly, followed then by Family Matters, Golden Channel, and Solid Effort starting to make ground down the outside, and Common Debt heads the others. It's Val Hustle in front down to the 200. Family Matters the danger on the inside. Val Hustle and Family Matters fighting it out. Family Matters took the lead from Val Hustle, and Family Matters is coming away to win, and Family Matters wins it by a length and a half to Val Hustle. Common Debt's run third, Photo fourth, Golden Channel, and Solid Effort, followed by Tamahara, Run for Layla, Durbars. Then we had Rock All and Gay Blade. Watertight, In and Away dropped off sharply, ran second.